Alright, Paul again here from EMD. So now I've removed these screws here. Two screws from one on top and that bracket, and two of those actuators for the actual AC flaps and the little arms there. Removed it off. Now all you gotta do is put a screwdriver and then around there somewhere. Here all you gotta do is just go like that, and that will just pop up. When everything pop up very easily, that means everything has been off and all the screws off. If you put the screwdriver there and try to pop it off and then nothing moves, there's got to be something still stuck there. And when you actually take it off, just make sure you take it off this way, slowly. See, I'm coming up slowly. Actually, that one's stuck there. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter. It's always upside down. So now I'm going to take all these out, and be careful with this one here because they can crack off. This part here stays. You don't have to take anything off, just leave it like that, because you might think you need to pop it off from this side when that box still intact, but you don't. Okay, so now I'm gonna take all this off and then pretty much clean everything, and then use a spray glue from both sides and put foam and pretty much put the whole box back together. Okay, so just want to show you a before and after video, just in case you don't know how much work you gotta do before you get to this stage here. Let's have a look at the car, the yellow car there, yellow 996. Just in case you missed the actual video from before, and this is the work you gotta do to do that. So if you're doing a evaporator on the car, make sure you actually if you're doing the evaporator on the car, make sure you do this on the 996 and 997 model. Get that done before you put the airbox back in, because this is a separate job. Alright, some people on the internet, you can do it from the outside by cutting the top and get to this, so you can slide it out. You can do it that way. But on the 996, you might as well pull the whole box out. On 997, the car is nearly 20 years old, depending what year. Just take the airbox out, change your evaporator, and then change this, and that will last for another 30-40 years. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.